day 3 of NaNoWriMo, and I haven't written anything yet. I just recorded my October wrap-up, and I want to edit it. Then I also have to write a blog post for my wrap-up as well, for my blog, which is not just books. I talk about memorable moments, healthy living, stuff. So if you haven't been on our blog, go check it out. By the time this comes out, all that will be uploaded and posted on the blog as well as YouTube. So, but little wrap up of what, well, not wrap up, but how much I got so far in 2 days. So, as you can see, I have over 5,000 words. This is just 2 days. On here it says 3, but I haven't written anything for the day yet. So once I put some, right later on tonight, I will put it in, and it definitely will be more than that. And of course, my average will go up. But according to this, I'm on track. But so far, I have been doing between 2,000 and 3,000 words. The first day was really good. I think I had 3,026, and then yesterday was 2,000, about 2,000 words. So, yeah. So this is where my total is right now, and I'm enjoying it. So, it's pretty much it. Today is just a busy day because I dedicate that to doing, the YouTube and the vlog, and also, I have a few errands to run. It's a Saturday and it's not raining. The sun is out. So I don't know if you guys can see that. So I definitely want to, stay on point with this NaNoWriMo thing. I'm not really a big fan yet of writing every day. Yeah, it's hopefully it grows on me soon, but we'll see. So that's it for now. So I think I need to get my Wi-Fi checked out because it's slow as hell. Like, I'm just uploading a video for my wrap up, and it's literally probably 8 minutes. It's taking too long, so I'm about to head to the store and pick up some bubbly. Yeah, because I'm probably gonna be up late tonight. I'm rested, but I feel like I'm a kind of a night writer. I've been noticing that, like, I write more at night. Don't know why. Hopefully change, but yeah, we'll see. But I'm gonna do that, and I'm probably not gonna cook. I'm gonna get some food. Yeah, it's my first weekend. I have nothing to do but to write, and which is unusual because the last couple of weekends I've been out a lot. I can't wait for you guys to read the upcoming posts that I have. Another Confession Chronicles. It should be interesting for you guys to read. So anyway, that's about it. Yeah, let me just head on out to the road. Day 5. So day 4, I didn't really get on to record anything because I wanted to just write, because day 3 wasn't that great. I wrote 270 words, and that's because I was just doing between recording YouTube video, editing, upload. Then I also was working on a blog post. I just, I think I just was just done for the day. I didn't want to do anything else. So 270 words was, all I could get out of me that day. So yesterday I woke up and I'm like, you know what? Let me get to the to writing, and I had, I believe, 2,600, I think, something like that. Yeah. can't remember. I'm like so tired. That I wrote, and trying to make up for some of the, words. Actually, no, it was, yeah, it was maybe closer, maybe 27 something. Yeah, somewhere. And so I was happy about that. And then today, I started writing early today. I took a break to get some sleep. But I had so far about 871 words. Definitely gonna try and get over 2,000, and I definitely can, because the part of the story I'm at right now, I'm kind of like, yeah, I just want to keep writing. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today, and that's it. That's just vlogging my writing is kind of just seem kind of uneventful right now for me. Like, I know this is just dry, but yeah, and I look a hot mess. Don't care, because this is the mood I'm in. I do find that I write better at night. Yeah, and it's been a rainy day, and you see how much more I could get out of this. So yeah. Hey guys, this is day 6, and I'm just coming from the voting pool. So I voted. Yeah, I voted. So I hope you guys went out and vote, because it's very, very necessary that we do that. So today I started writing pretty early. I have about so far 900 something words. Yesterday was a good one too. I think I got up to 2,200. So I've been maintaining at least 2,000 a day or more. I got over the 10,000 yesterday, and continuing like that for the rest of the week. But my mood is a little down because I had a really bad phone call yesterday. My friend was devastated because she lost a family member, and then she had to give me the bad news that one of our friends died. So I'm kind of cried out, because this is like the 4th death this year, and I'm just a little numb. So I haven't even shed a tear, or I'm just sad. And it bothered me a lot, because apparently he may have been dead for a few days before anybody noticed. And I live alone, so I kept thinking, oh my God, if I hope that nothing bad happened to me while I'm living alone, and no one not realizing it. So that was a bit of a emotional situation for me, and I'm processing it still. But it's not a good day. But I am distracting myself with writing, and so I don't think so much about where I want to cry, because I'm trying not to cry. Yeah, not crying today, not crying. So anyway, this is day 6. So yeah, bye. So hey guys, I am at day 7. I'm just losing track of days right now. This is how consumed I am with this writing process of NaNoWriMo is doing to me. But I am this end of the first week, and I am going to do a little bit more chat towards the end of this video. The vlogs is not much, because I had 2 days where I didn't really vlog, I think, and those were the really good days. Like, the days when I didn't pick up the camera was the days I did a lot of writing. And but yesterday I did 1,300, which was below my goal for the day, and today is just gonna be just as bad, because today's 850. But the scene I just completed, I'm so happy with it that I'm okay. I didn't get this, get the over that 2,000 word count, but the scene, I'm loving how it came together. And so yeah, but I'm gonna sit down. look a little bit better than what I'm looking like. Because this blog, guys, y'all gonna see me looking a mess because I'm writing, I don't care. But I'll sit down and talk more about how I feel about the week and my first time doing this. So, yeah. So, yeah. Hey, so this is day 8 that I'm recording this, but we're not going to talk about day 8. We're going to talk about the last 7 days, the first week of NaNoWriMo and how I felt. I don't like writing every day. But I know if I don't write every day, I'm probably going to get behind. So for that purpose, I make myself do it. I had some really good days, and then I had some days where I pushed through and barely got anything done. Overall, I love what I'm writing. I get excited when I get to when I write certain things. I'm like, yes, I can't believe I came up with that, and I'm like so excited about it because, yes, I did an outline, but once I sat down and write, I find that I started creating things that I didn't even think about while I was doing my outline. So, love it for that purpose, but the writing every day, no. I think once this is done, I'm just gonna be like, no. If I was a person that wrote a lot in one day, like if I was that person that could pump out 5,000 words in a day, I mean, it's possible. I might have a good day. We don't know. But the most I did was about a little over 3,000, I believe. That was the most I did in a day. But if I was a person that can do that I'm confident where I can pull in 5,000 or more in a day, I wouldn't write every day. I would still make my goal at the end of the month and not having to write every day. But because I don't write that much in one day, I know I have to keep up the daily writing because I will definitely not finish my goal. Again, I will talk more once I'm done about what I'm writing. The genre is pretty much, most of you guys can guess what the genre is, but there's a twist. And when I'm done, I'll sit down and talk about what it is about, what my the book is going to be pertaining to the stories that I've created. Stories, keyword. It's a collection of short stories. And so anyway, so that's it, guys. I would say success. Week 1. So let's see how week 2 goes. So thanks for watching.